sweater. It was like... What? My phone! What you did? I took your phone. Are you relaxed? I took your phone.
Wait, I have a call.
Wait, don't
My
nervous.
sword, I have a call.
Yes, I know.
What are you doing?
Just relax and trust me. I know what I'm
Say
doing.
that you eat
I'm
me.
saving. I'm saving.
Please say this.
Relax, don't nervous. I know what I'm doing. I will save. Stay. Don't turn around. Don't nervous.
I'm naked.
Yes, I know
What are you doing now?
I will make dress for both of us. Hold this.
Your dress?
I'm saving for you and for me. And we will be in the same dress. You will see. It
Yeah.
will be nice. Let's go. Go inside. Don't nervous. It's okay.
So we will be same,
Yes.
like with friends.
Believe me, everything will be good. Take this skirt off, please. You're not nervous now, I see.
Yeah, I think it's real. It's
now-
new skirt.
Kinda, but not really. I need your t-shirt.
Okay.
Dear. Yes, careful, yes. And here.
Okay.
Oh, just see. Now I need one thing from this. Now you need to put on this again. And the buttons. Back.
Dresses.
It will be a corset.
Corset.
Yes, it
I
will be a
will be
corset.
skinny.
Yes, dear, you will be. I tried to just save your outfit for today.
Okay.
Hold please your corset like that, tight. Yes. Now turn around. Give me this. I will make it a little shorter.
Okay.
Okay? It's
Okay.
very special. Designer dress. So
How am I looking?
you look gorgeous. Turn around, dear. I will make everything properly. You will be like a princess now.
Oh my.
Oh,
I'm model.
you are, dear. You are.
You look not really good.
Yeah, not so nice like you, but
Maybe you can do something.
yes, I guess yes. I know. I will do the same crazy stuff. Help me, please,
Yes.
to cut from here. Turn around, and here we go. We don't need this anymore, and we don't need this anymore. Okay, I'm done too. We're both like a model now. And I like that you have corset. It's very popular this summer. Awesome.
Yeah, and we are the same color.
Yes,
Like best friends.
like best friends. Well done.